problems in vectors. Now we will continue the problems, right? Right, problem number 43 is over. Next 45. If theta is acute angle and the vector sin theta into y bar plus cos theta into j bar is perpendicular to the vector I bar minus root 3 j bar. Now these two vectors are perpendicular, then we have to find the value of theta. What is the condition if two vectors are perpendicular? The dot product is 0. What is the dot product of these two vectors? Sin theta into 1, that means sin theta, minus this is cos theta into minus root 3, that means root 3 cos theta is equal to 0. Now this is sin theta equal to how much? Minus root 3 cos theta. Sin by cos is directly written as tan theta equal to how much you will get here? Minus root 3. See here, cos theta into minus root 3. So this will turn as minus, this is plus, and tan theta equal to root 3. Obviously theta equal to how much? Tan theta equal to tan 60, theta equal to 60 degrees. This is problem number 45. Now what is 46 given? 46, if 2 out of 3 vectors are unit vectors, let us take A bar and B bar are unit vectors. Whenever A bar and B bar are unit vectors, mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to 1. We don't know about the magnitude of C bar. And moreover, what is given? 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to plus 3 is equal to 0 given. Now what is the value of this thing? Take this right side. So this is 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot K is equal to how much? Minus 3. Moreover, what is the given hypothesis? A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 bar. Apply modulus on both sides and squaring on both sides. So you will get mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square equal to mod 0 bar whole square. We know the formula for this. This is obviously mod I bar square plus mod B bar square plus mod C bar square plus 2 into this is A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar is equal to 0. Magnitude of 0 is 0. Mod A bar is given 1 because it is unit vector. This is also 1. We don't know this value. Keep the mod C square as it is. So this is minus 3 plus into minus minus. This is 3. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Take the minus on right side. So obviously you will get mod C square equal to 1. Mod C bar equal to 1. So this is the way how to find the length of the third vector. Next one. This is 46. 47 simple problem. Find the value of cos theta. A dot B by mod J mod B and later find the value of sin theta. 48 A bar cross B cross C. Find B cross C and later find A cross B cross C. You will get the answer. Apply the modulus. Now 49 vector triple product problem is given. B bar cross C bar cross C bar cross A bar. This value we have to find. The first option is given box ABC C bar. Second one box ABC B bar. Third one box ABC A bar and A dot B cross C. How to find this value? B cross C cross C cross A. Now let us convert this problem in the form of vector triple product first formula. Let us take this whole thing is A and this is B and this is C. Now this is in the form of what? A bar cross B cross C. So this is the first formula of vector triple product. The formula is given by A dot C of B bar minus A dot B of C bar. Let us treat B cross C as first vector. In place of B cross C, I am taking A bar. This is B, this is C. Now apply the formula. A dot C dot product of first vector and last vector means here B bar cross C bar dot A bar of middle vector is middle vector C bar minus dot product of first two vectors. B cross C dot C of how much you are having here? This is C bar. C bar means last vector. This is A bar. Right? Now this is in the form of what? Box B bar, C bar, A bar into C bar minus this is directly what? 0. What is the meaning of B cross C dot C? That is box B bar, C bar, C bar. If two vectors are equal in a box, obviously the value is 0. 0 into C bar is always 0. Right. Next one. So how can you write this now? Interchange these two. You will get minus A bar, C bar, B bar into C bar. Again interchange CB. Minus into minus, another minus, you will get this term to plus box A bar, B bar, C bar is into C bar. So the answer is what? First option is the answer. 50, problem number 50, what is given there? Mod of A bar cross B bar is equal to mod of A bar dot B bar. Then we have to find the value of mod of A bar plus B bar whole square. Now what is the formula for this now? This is mod of A bar, mod of B bar, n cap, mod of n cap into sin theta. Theta is the angle between A and B. Here this is mod A bar, mod B bar, mod cos theta. Is it right now? Mod A, mod B gets cancelled. Mod m cap is 1. So this is obviously sin theta by cos theta, theta equal to 1. Answer is theta equal to theta value 45 degrees, which is nothing but pi by 4. Theta is the angle between what? A bar and B bar. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of mod of A bar plus B bar whole square. The formula is given by this is mod A square plus mod B square, right? Plus 2 into A dot B means mod A, mod B cos theta means how much given here? Cos pi by 4. In this problem, A bar and B bar are given unit vectors. So mod A bar is 1. This is 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 into cos pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 by root 2 is root 2. So what is the final answer? 2 plus root 2. So this is problem number 50. Next one. 51 directly we can do that problem. 52 also like that only. 53. So what is 53 given? Problem number 53. Mod A bar equal to 3 given, mod B bar equal to 4 given, and moreover mod of A bar plus B bar equal to 1, we have to find the value of mod of A bar minus B bar. Right. Now squaring on both sides. This is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 into what? A bar dot B bar is equal to 1. So this is given 3. 3 square means 9. This is 9 plus 4 square 16 into 2 into A bar dot B bar is equal to 1. How much is this value? 25. Take it 25 right side. 2 into this is mod A mod B cos theta is equal to how much? 1 minus 25 minus 24. Right? This is 1. So cos theta equal to how much you will get here? So this is obviously mod of A bar plus B bar. How much given? Mod of A bar plus B bar equal to 1 given. Right. Squaring on both sides. 9 plus 16, 25. So this is you are getting a, right, 2 into mod A bar 3. This is 4 into cos theta equal to how much you will get here? So this is how much you will get here? This is 1. Okay. Right. So this is 25. 1 minus 25 minus 24. So this is also minus 24. How much you will get here? Cos theta equal to how much you will get here? Minus 1. Whenever cos theta equal to 1 minus 1, theta equal to how much you will get here? Pi. Now what we have to find? Mod of A bar minus B bar whole square equal to, this is mod A square minus mod B square. Right. This is 2 into A bar dot B bar. Next one. How much you will get here? This is how much? 9 plus 16 minus 2 into mod A mod B. 3 into 4 into cos theta is what? Minus 1. So how much will get here? This is 25 plus 24. 49. So what is mod of A minus B? Root of 49. So the answer is what? 7. Next. This is problem number 53. Next one. 55 unit vector, we know that formula. 56 A bar plus lambda B bar is perpendicular, dot product is 0. 57 as like we have done the problem like 49, apply vector triple product formula. 58 is area of the parallelogram when adjacent sets are given. What is the formula? Mod of A bar plus B bar equal to root 436, you will get the value of lambda. 60 perimeter of the triangle. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Sum of all sides, that is nothing but mod AB bar plus mod BC bar plus mod AC bar. 62 like that only. 63 angle between planes, already we have done that. 64 also same like that only. 65. If alpha bar, beta bar are two vectors, mod of alpha bar plus beta bar equal to mod of alpha bar minus beta bar, then we have to find the angle between alpha bar and beta bar. That is very simple problem only. Squaring on both sides. So this is mod alpha square plus mod beta bar square plus 2 into alpha bar dot b bar. This is mod alpha square plus mod beta square. This is minus 2 into alpha bar dot b bar. These two gets cancelled. Take it left side. 2 plus 2 4 into alpha bar dot b bar beta bar equal to 0. Alpha bar dot beta bar equal to 0. Then what is the angle between beta alpha and beta? Whenever the dot product is 0, two vectors are perpendicular. That means the angle is pi by 2. This is the problem number 65. 66 apply the formula directly. 67 mutually perpendicular. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0. 68 also section formula. Like 70, right? What is 70 given here? A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular vectors. Mutually perpendicular unit vector means magnitude of every vector is 1. Moreover, A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot C bar is equal to C bar dot A bar equal to 0. Mutually perpendicular means A is perpendicular to B, that means A dot B is equal to 0. B is perpendicular to C, B bar dot C bar equal to 0 and C bar dot A bar equal to is also 0. Now what we have to find? Mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar, we are taking square. What is the formula? This is mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 into what? A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot Z. What is this value? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 0 because every value is 0. This is 3. Now what is the value of mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar? Root 3 is the answer. This is problem number 70. 71. Unit vector perpendicular to. See here, if A bar comma B bar are two vectors, then what is the unit vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar? We know the concept A cross B by mod of A cross B. See, we are having two concepts here. For example, A bar and B bar are two vectors. Okay. Then the unit vector which is perpendicular to A cross B, A and B. This is the vector. This is the vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, which is a unit vector. That means whose magnitude is 1. Now this vector is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. So this is called unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is given by the formula cross product of those two vectors. A cross B by mod of A cross B. We know that A bar cross B bar is always perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Now A bar and B bar are given, find A cross B and find the mod. This is the formula to find the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Okay. Another thing also we are having here. See here, this is one vector A bar and this is another vector B bar. Then the unit vector which bisects the angle between A bar and B bar. For example, if this whole angle is theta, this is the unit vector which is bisecting the angle. This is, for example, this is theta by 2 and theta by 2. Now this is the unit vector which is bisecting the angle between A bar and B bar given in the formula. So this is how much we will get here. So this is mod A bar by mod A bar plus B bar by mod B bar. Is it right or not? So actually what we will write here? By 2. Is it right or not? So this is another concept actually we are having here. So this is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Next thing. This is A cap plus B cap by mod of A cap plus B cap. This is the formula. A cap means unit vector along A bar. That means A bar by mod A bar plus B bar by mod A bar by mod of A bar by B bar plus B bar by mod B bar. This is the unit vector actually. This is the unit vector which is bisecting the angle between A bar and B bar. It is not A cap plus B cap by 2. This is the formula. A cap plus mod of A cap plus B cap. Next thing. Next problem. Right. 72. Volume of parallelepiped mod of box A bar B bar C bar equal to 2, you will get the value of lambda. Next, volume of tetrahedron 1/6 mod of box A bar B bar C bar. Area of triangle we know, Coplanar, take determinant equal to 0. Next one, problem number 84. The vector equation of a straight line passes through A bar, B bar, C bar. We know the formula. Box of R bar minus A bar, B bar minus A bar, C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. 85 also we know. Coplanar means z equal to 0. 89. Cross product is given. What is 89 given here? This is A bar cross B plus C plus B bar cross C plus A plus C bar cross A plus B. This is the value. What is this value? Obviously 0 bar. It is not 0 vector, 0 vector. So take the cross product here. This is A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar plus. This is B bar cross C bar plus. This is B bar cross A bar plus. C bar cross A bar plus C bar cross B. Change any 3. So this is A cross B plus A cross C plus B cross C. Take reverse. You will get minus. Minus A bar cross B bar. Again reverse. Minus A cross C. Minus B. Everything gets cancelled. Answer is what? It is 0 vector. 0 bar is the answer. This is problem number 89. 90 we can do verification. 91 already we had done. 92 coplanar determinant equal to 0. 93. Right. What is 93 given here? Gamma bar. That is actually R bar. R bar cross A bar equal to B cross A. Similarly, R bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. And A bar B bar not equal to 0. A bar is not perpendicular to B bar. Then we have to find the value of R bar. Options are A cross A minus B, A plus B, A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross B bar plus B bar. How can you find the value of R bar from this now? Try to think here. R bar cross A bar is equal to B bar cross A bar, and moreover R bar cross B bar is equal to A bar minus B bar. See here, this can be written as what? Take reverse here. Obviously you will get direction will change, you will get minus B bar cross A bar. Now add these two. Now R bar cross A bar plus R bar cross B bar is equal to, this is B bar cross A bar plus into minus minus B bar cross A bar. Is it right now? So you can take R bar cross common here because distributive property you can apply. This is A bar plus B bar. What is this value? 0 bar. Is it right or not? So R bar is one vector and A bar plus B bar is another vector. What is the meaning of this? Cross product of two vectors is 0 bar. What is the angle between two vectors? If two vectors cross product is 0 bar, parallel. That means 0 angle is. That means R bar is parallel to what? A bar plus B bar. So how can we write here? R bar equal to some lambda into what? A bar plus B bar. Right? Now substitute the value of R bar in first case or second case. See, first in first point, first expression I am substituting here. So this is lambda into A bar plus B bar cross A bar is equal to what? B bar cross A bar. We can take second expression also. So lambda is a fixed scalar. Leave it. Take the A cross inside here. So this is into lambda into A bar cross A bar plus B bar cross A bar is equal to B bar cross A bar. What is A bar cross A bar? 0 bar. Leave it. So lambda into B bar cross A bar is equal to how much you will get here? B bar cross A bar. What is the answer here? Lambda is equal to 1. So whenever lambda is equal to 1, what is the value of R bar? A bar plus B bar. So this is problem number 93. Next one. 94 volume of table box of A bar B bar C bar you can do. 95. Box of B bar cross C bar, C bar cross A bar cross B bar. This is most important formula also. The formula is given by box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. Box of B cross C cross A cross B is given by the formula box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. This formula is useful to do some problems. Okay. But what is the proof of this one? No, I am going to prove this here. This is in the form of A box ABC. Box ABC formula A bar dot B cross C. That means B cross C dot B cross C means here is C cross A cross B. Right? Again this is B bar cross C bar dot. Let us treat this is A, B, C. A dot C means C cross A dot B of A bar minus C cross A dot A of B bar. Now this is again B cross C dot, this is in the form of box CAB, is it right? Into A bar. This is what? Box CAA, 0 bar. Leave it. Again this is B bar cross C bar, leave with a 0. This is a scalar. Box C bar A bar is always a scalar. Keep it aside. B cross C dot C. B cross C dot A into what? Box A bar B bar C bar. What is the value of B cross C dot A? This is box B bar C bar A bar into box A bar B bar C bar. This is again box A bar B bar C bar by interchanging 2 times? Box A bar B bar C bar. So what is the final answer? Box A bar B bar C bar whole square. This is the most important formula for the box B cross C cross A cross B. How can you get this here? First of all, interchange these two, you will get minus A, C, B. Again interchange C and B, you will get A, B, C minus into minus plus. So this is turned to be box A bar B bar C bar into box A bar B bar C bar. The formula is given by box ABC whole square. This is problem number what? 95. 96. Projection of AB bar and CD bar. What is the projection formula? AB bar dot CD bar by mod CD bar whole square or mod CD bar. Orthogonal projection means you will get again CD bar here. So orthogonal projection of A bar and B bar. A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Okay, projection of A bar and B bar. Orthogonal projection of A bar and B bar is already I told you A bar dot B bar of B bar by mod B bar square. Okay, so this is the way how to do this. This is problem number 96. 97. Orthonormal system. What is meant to be orthonormal system? If I bar, J bar, K bar are orthonormal system vectors, so obviously all the 3 vectors are mutually perpendicular. Now we have to find the value of volume of the parallelepiped whose edges are given I bar, I plus J, I plus J plus K. So this is the way, apply the formula mod of box A bar, B bar, C bar. Vector area of the triangle, A bar cross B bar. Next one, 99. The vector equation of the plane through the points and parallel to the vectors. Apply the formula. Okay. So today we have done some problems in vectors. So from tomorrow onwards we will do remaining problems, and if you are having any concept I will explain. Okay. Okay, na?